Welcome to this video portion of Roofing It Right with Dave and Wally. I am Dave.
And I am Wally.
Wally, what are we doing today?
Well, we're going to talk a little bit about our quick spray today.
Perfect.
So we have a lot of other videos out there, how to set this up, maintain it, clean it, all that type of thing. So we're not going to really talk a whole lot about that today. Biggest thing I think we need to talk about, there's a lot of misconception out there about this tip.
What size?
11002. If you use the wrong tip, that's going to affect the coverage rate.
Absolutely.
So we have complaints about that. So what is the coverage rate of this canister, Dave?
One canister per 10-foot by 100-foot sheet.
So 10 squares, 10 squares coverage rate.
Well, yeah, you can say it that way too.
Yeah. So if you put it on too heavy, we will sell you more.
Right.
If you put it on too light, it's going to be a problem.
Yes.
So again, we can't reiterate enough about this tip. You got to use the correct tip.
Okay.
Okay, temperature restrictions. What are temperature restrictions regarding
20
this?
and rising.
So again, we harp on this.
Everything has to be 20.
So whatever
before
time you're starting that morning.
Install.
Yeah.
Everything.
20 degrees and rising. Okay?
Right.
So when everything's sprayed, once you roll the sheet in, what has to be done?
You have to broom and roll.
Broom and roll.
Right. Broom it first, then roll it.
So what do I have here, Dave? We have this
have-
canister here and this canister here.
This one says TPO, and that one says TPO, so I think we're right.
TPO what?
Cleaner.
Cleaner.
It's a small can.
So we also have this in PVC, right? PVC
Correct.
Quick Spray. We also have a PVC cleaner.
Correct.
Can I mix the two?
No.
So you have to use the right cleaner for the right adhesive that you're going to run through this gun.
This does 10 squares. PVC does
7.5.
1.5.
7.5.
Right. Two different cleaners, two different
Two
products.
different adhesives.
Yes.
For more information, stay tuned to other videos at gaf.com/roofingItRight.